Hey everybody, EMP5 Reviews here. Today I have my Medal of Honor Stories series, episode 15, about First Lieutenant George Emerson Albee and his actions during the Indian campaigns. His early life and career. George Albee was born in Lisbon, New Hampshire on January 27, 1845. Albee enlisted in Company G, Wisconsin, Berdan's sharpshooters in June of 1862. After 2 months in the field, he was wounded at the Second Battle of Bull Run and discharged for disability while convalescing. He later enlisted in 1863 as an artilleryman in the 3rd Wisconsin Light Artillery, but was discharged to accept a commission as 2nd Lieutenant in the 36th Wisconsin Infantry. He was later promoted to 1st Lieutenant. After the Civil War, Albee served as a lieutenant in the 36th United States Colored Infantry, the 41st U.S. Infantry, and the 24th U.S. Infantry. He retired from the U.S. Army in 1878 and later became captain of the National Blues, Company D, 2nd Regiment Connecticut National Guard in 1891. Shortly thereafter, Albee was promoted to Major and Brigade Inspector of Rifle Practice of the Connecticut National Guard. His Medal of Honor citation states, "The President of the United States of America, in the name of Congress, takes pleasure in presenting the Medal of Honor to First Lieutenant Infantry George Emerson Albee, United States Army, for extraordinary heroism on 28 October 1869. While serving with Company L, 41st U.S. Infantry in action at Bravos River, Texas. First Lieutenant Albee attacked with 2 men. A force of 11 Indians drove them from the hills and reconnoitered the country beyond." His later life. He retired from the U.S. Army in 1878 and later became captain of the National Blues, Company D, 2nd Regimental Connecticut National Guard in 1891. Shortly thereafter, he was promoted to Major and Brigade Inspector of Rifle Practice of the Connecticut National Guard. He died March 24, 1918 in Laurel, Maryland, and is buried in Arlington National Cemetery. His grave is located in Section 2, Lot 850. His wife, Mary Hawes Albee, is buried with him. If you like this video, please give it a like and a share. If you are so inclined, please also subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys in the next episode. Have a good one.